Hello friends, welcome to DIY 2020. In this video, I'll show you how you can get 18650 lithium ion battery from old laptop battery. As you all know, 18650 battery is quite expensive. You may get cheaper one online or offline, but trust me, they are not reliable. In my opinion, the cheap and best solution is to get the batteries from old laptop battery. You may get the laptop battery at your local laptop repairing shop at a very low price. A typical laptop battery usually consists of 6 18650 cells, and I used to get 4 out of 6 battery in reusable condition. You can get 6 out of 6 or 2 out of 6 depending upon the condition of your battery. The laptop battery which I am deassembling in this video cost me around ₹100 and I got 4 out of 6 battery in working condition. The deassembling is almost done now. Please be careful about short circuit. The battery may explode due to short circuit. While separating the battery, make sure to cut the negative side cable first. If the voltage of the individual battery is above 3.7, then the battery is in perfect condition. And if the battery voltage is less than 3 volt, then the battery was over discharged and may be damaged. You should avoid to use those batteries. Here I am connecting a charging module with the battery to study the charging and discharging capability of the battery. Please be careful about the polarity while connecting the charging module with the battery. Here I am using a LED light as a load to discharge the battery, and you can see the battery is discharging. as the voltage is continuously dropping. Here I am charging the module and the voltage is rising. I repeated this process and got 4 out of 6 battery in working condition. So that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for other videos.